Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of dollar, yen, USDjpy. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a photo chart of USDjpy, and as we all know that USDjpy was on a very beautiful clean uptrend, but here around 146 we saw a massive downfall. Okay, the overall the structure of the chart changed because of these two candles, because of the interference from the Bank of Japan and the government of Japan, because they did not want USDjpy to fly higher and higher. They do not want to Japanese yen to become weak and weak day after day. Okay, so as a result, because of that interference, we saw a downside. We saw a temporary correction on the chart of USDjpy. Okay, and again the chart is going up again. So if we look at the chart clearly, then we can see that it was a clean uptrend market. We had an ascending triangle pattern. But right now the ascending triangle pattern is gone, but the trend of the market is still very much intact. But we need to remember that why market came down from this level, because of the interference from the Bank of Japan and government of Japan. So as a result, this level will be very critical for USDjpy again. Right now market is standing at 144.04. this is the current market price. Okay, so if you have any ongoing position right now, you can be on the trade, no need to do anything. But if you're looking for a fresh position, fresh entry, then you should wait for some time. Okay, I think it's better to wait for the market to hit 144.90 to 146.00. this is a resistance zone in our market. You can see that we have a big resistance zone. Okay, so once market hit this level, 144.90 level, once you see market entering in this particular zone, you should not look for any buy position, and please wait for the market to give you a proper sell sign. The sell sign can be in the form of a shooting star, it can be in the form of a any good price rejection from above, bearish candle, bearish engulfing pattern, or anything like that. Around this level will give you the confirmation that yes, this level is still acting as a resistance zone for the market, and you can go for a sell position. But keep in mind, overall the whole forex market is extremely volatile. Okay, in the last few days, especially on Monday also. So please follow proper risk management. Do not go for a big lot size. Do, if possible, try to use the position size calculator and trade accordingly. Okay, so in this market condition, I'll simply suggest that wait for the market to enter this level here, 144.90 to 146, because this is our resistance zone. Big zone, but a resistance zone. Once you see market reversing from the resistance zone here, you can go for a sell position and no need to do anything else. Okay, just wait for the right time. Okay. This is the only safe trading opportunity that I see on the chart of USDjpy right now. If I have missed anything, please write down in a comment section. I would love to learn from you. And moreover, my dear friends, please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. If you look at the chart of US dollar, DXY, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, then you'll see a massive movement. Market is extremely volatile, so please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Protect your capital. Capital protection should be your first priority as a trader. Okay, and in the case of USDjpy right now, this is the only trading opportunity that I see right now. Okay, and in case market comes down also, then you can get some buying opportunity around this level, but this level is quite far away. So at this moment right now, we should mostly focus on this particular position of the chart only. If market reverses, at least we can expect a profit of 60 to 70 pips. Okay, if not trend reversal, at least we can expect a profit of 60 to 70 pips. Okay, bye bye, take care.